Hello, hello. So here, because of the oil pickup line is missing, I don't know why when they removed the uh, oil pan, they also removed this pickup line. Here I'm just trying to create a new one. So this I ordered online, a second hand from Volkswagen, and I'm trying to cut and weld this pickup line because my idea is to test the engine how it will spin with oil before I order any parts from US, and that's why I decided to try to create a new pickup line. Of course, the main idea is later in future uh, to replace this one with OM one. I will order. There is I'm able to find, so it will be not a problem. But for now, I need to be able to test the pump and the oil. And as you can see here, I cut and weld several times to be able to achieve this the results here that are shown. Because I was also checking the pictures how exactly it's looking, and I also measured the oil pan, the deep of the oil pan as well, so it should work fine. Here is the final stage, almost done. I only have to drill a little bit about for the bolts because those holes are a little bit smaller, and yeah, I think it's almost finished here. And it will do the job. As I said, in the future I plan to order a new one. So this, by the way, this is not a rust. It was welded with the bronze, and that's why it's like rust, but it's not rust. So the idea is this, it will do the job for now. And the second thing which I'm trying to do here is I was to be able to put the starter, I have to extend a little bit the stand. So that's why I decided to create some legs for the engine and to put this aluminum shell because to be able to install the starter, I need this aluminum to be on the engine. But I'm afraid that if I only put or the engine it's too heavy and everything will broke, so that's why I created those legs here. And yeah, this is the process when I was measuring and welding the new legs. I have to remove from here, of course, and put I don't know what exactly is the name of this aluminum shell, to be honest. But yeah, the main idea is as you can see here, I put the oil pan. I also open those pans as well to be able to see if there is oil, because the oil pump should bring oil on the top as well. So as you can see, there's a lot of things are missing. I'm just still creating the list of the parts which I will first order. So as you can see, the sensor is missing about the water. So those holes, they're for the radiator, but I will just put some kind of I don't know, rubber pipe or something like that to block them and to put water after I'm starting the engine. I hope it will start, of course. But yeah, a lot of things missing. Still creating the list for those. For a good sign is that it's clean inside, because sometimes it's a lot of engines are totally messy inside. But I don't know, we'll see what will happen. And yeah, this is, as I said, basically how I was able to extend a little bit the stand for the engine and to put the starter on it, to be able to try to spin the engine with the starter. And here is the final result. So it's already, everything is put together. As you can see, the stand is ready. The aluminum, it's on the engine, and I also installed the starter as well, as you can see here, which it was a little bit tricky. I also put a minus cable for the battery, so almost ready to start and to try to spin the engine with the starter. I think it's spinning well, but I will install more cables, and of course we'll see if the starter is spinning or not.